All right. So we have cold coming in right there, this main one. It comes down from the well, and then on top you've got, I imagine it's hot coming out to the house, which is not even lukewarm. Boiler outlet, boiler inlet. Inlet, I can wrap my hand around, it is warm. Outlet is cold. Colder than room temp. It's cool to the touch. Not cold, cool. So the boiler outlet, we'll start with there, runs to the wall here, down into whatever this thing is, down to this valve here, down here, and then connects to that 1.5 inch pipe that I was talking about. Runs down, down, down. This one is hot to the touch right here. Runs down, down, connects to the boiler. So, boiler, up, over, down to what is called the boiler outlet line, which seems like it's odd that it's in line with that. Even at this corner, this is cool, this is cool. Gets hot right here at this fitting. Again, hot. As I move along this is immediately cooling. So then it moves up into this setup here. These are the 3 valves that are all quartered with, I imagine, something to let gas out. And we got something else going on down there. The 3 of these, so the first one goes up, up, up. So it's right there. It goes up and it feeds into that green tank, which then comes out and goes back down after the green tank and feeds back into the radiator. Got a bit of corrosion on the outside there, or not the radiator, sorry, the boiler. Going back to that, so that's line 1, feeds into that green tank that feeds at the very highest point and feeds into there. Yeah. Then again, I'm guessing it has some pressure relief valves up there. Coming off that line, comes down. There's this here, which feeds into this 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch pipe that goes nowhere. Ends up on the ground down here. Right there. So, got that going on. Going the other direction, I don't. That also seems to be what feeds hot water to the shower. That same line. Because that comes off, goes up, wraps behind it, and then goes up and over there, and then comes down this wall here, underneath that, and then goes up over that corner, up over there, which then wait, I've confused myself. Man, I'm standing here and I'm getting lost on what goes where. Those are gas lines. Alright, we'll have to figure that out in a second, but we'll go back to this. Alright, so line 2, again, connects to the same piping, doesn't really seem to go anywhere. Just creates this double layer. Heat-wise, this is hot, but I can keep it on here for a while. So 10-15 seconds. Hot. Coming down here. Hot. Coming further down into this fucking madness on this side. There's a nice arrow. So this goes up. Got this thing going on. Again, about the same temperature across this whole top and across the bottom. So this pipes across here. Comes. So we've got this here. Interesting thing is we've got someone drawing arrows on this. But they seem to be backwards or something. I don't know. Those go down into there. Those go down and up. So these two that come in right here go up here, go up along the ceiling, and connect to this contraption. Right here. And that has got lines that do all sorts of fun stuff up through there.